to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be perming my lashes, aka lash lifting my lashes. I have actually been wanting to do this for quite some time now. I originally wanted to get it professionally done, but because of the pandemic, no one's open, no one can do it for me, so I decided to purchase myself a lash lift kit online and do it myself from the comfort of my own home. Spoiler alert though, because I don't want you to wait till the very end of this video to find out whether it works or not. It 100% worked on my lashes. I am so impressed. Here is my before and after. As you guys can see, there's such a huge difference. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I came in I didn't really have high hopes, and the fact that it actually worked and they look so good, I'm just but I do have some thoughts and opinions. I went through hiccups here and there, so if you want to see how it all worked out for me, definitely keep watching this video, because it's not as easy as you think. I mean, once you get the hang of it, then it becomes pretty easy, but in the beginning it's definitely really intimidating, especially because it's so close to your eyeballs. So definitely keep watching this video to find out all of the techniques that worked for me or didn't work for me, because let's bring back the before and after video, because results do not lie. These results do not lie. Also, a disclaimer, I am not a professional by any means, okay? I'm not claiming to be a professional. I'm just a regular person wanting to do her own lashes from the comfort of her own home. So please do your own research. What works for me may not work for you, so definitely keep that in mind. But yeah, I think we're ready to begin. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and without further ado, let's do this. So here is the lash lift kit that I purchased. I got mine from Amazon. It had the highest reviews out of all of the lash lift kits on Amazon, which is why I went with this one. I'll definitely link it for you guys in the description box, so definitely check it out if you're interested. So it comes with instructions, lash glue, and basically everything else you need to lift your lashes, minus two things. You're also going to need a bunch of Q-tips and a toothpick, and I'll explain in a little bit why you need these. Okay, so now on to perming my lashes. First, I'm choosing the right size of lift pads to use for my eyelids. I ended up choosing M2, which is kind of like the in-between size, and I actually ended up low-key regretting this at the end because I underestimated my lashes, thinking they weren't long enough. I definitely could have used the largest size, so just keep that in mind. If you have longer lashes, choose the larger size, and if you have shorter lashes, choose the small size. Next up, I'm applying the glue all over the back parts of the lift pads, and I'm just really making sure that I'm applying the glue to each and every corner of the pads, and then I wait about a few seconds till it gets tacky before I stick it onto my eyelids. And once I stick it on, I get really close to my eyelids, like as close to my eyelids as possible, and I just really make sure that no lash gets stuck behind, which is a very crucial step. And after that, I hold it down for about 20 seconds. So now I'm applying the glue onto the base of the pad, and again, I wait a few seconds for it to get tacky till I start using the brush that comes inside the kit, and this tool will help to stick the lashes onto the pad. Basically, I'm using it as a comb. I'm combing my lashes upwards so that they stick up on that pad. So this is where the toothpick comes in. Use the toothpick to separate each lash from each other, because if you don't do this, you'll end up with clumps of lashes, which is definitely not the look I'm going for. So it's really crucial to separate them from each other if you want to have like that fluffy and full set of lashes. Next up is the perm lotion. I'm using Q-tips to apply this to each and every lash. Basically, the rule here is no lash gets left behind. You do not want to end up with, that one straight lash at the end of it. And I wait about 12 minutes till I move on to the next step. Also, please make sure you do not go overboard with the time limit. Please set a timer to prevent any sorts of lash damage. And after the 12 minutes is up, I go in with the fixation lotion, and again, I apply it, wait 12 minutes till I move on to the next step. Next, I'm applying the nutrition lotion, which is basically just oil, and this claims to help nourish your lashes. And this part no longer has a time limit on it, by the way. I want to say I did this for about 15 to 20 seconds. And after that, this is the last step right here, the cleanser lotion. This is to help clean off all the perm residue and to also remove the pad off of my eyelid. And yeah, the right side is pretty much done. In case any of you were wondering, I felt zero pain. Nothing was burning for me. Nothing was hurting. I think as long as you follow the instructions properly, everything should go smoothly. And yeah, at this point, I dried up my eyelids and my lashes using a clean towel. And I also used a clean brush to comb out my lashes. So here I'm just basically repeating the same steps on the left side. Also, my right eyelid is a little red because I was wearing makeup and it came off. Again, it's not irritated or anything like that. Overall, I'm very impressed with the results. I'm actually doing this voiceover 1 week after I filmed this video, and I'm very happy to report that I'm still very much happy with my lashes. Definitely follow me on Instagram to see more close-up shots of my lash journey because I'm also in the process of growing them out. Before I end this video, here is another look at our beautiful before and after shot. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it and found it helpful if you've been thinking of perming your own lashes at home. I love you guys. Have an amazing day. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.